Michael, do you love me?
Yeah.
Do you know I love you?
Do it.
Are you a good boy? Are you talking on the phone? Hello? Who's there? Are you talking to Daddy? Say Daddy.
Daddy!
He's not home yet.
Okay.
You talking? Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Daddy's on the phone? You're doing so good talking on that phone. I love it. Uh-oh. All done. Where did it go? Do you know I love you? Love you. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Love you. Bye. Can you wave? Bye. Good boy. There we go. I love you. Say yay.